on a losing streak. In this video, I'll show you how to analyze highest scoring half, second half like a pro, so you can start building your bankroll step by step. So in today's video, we'll obviously be focusing on the Premier League, and I'll also be making an example using the following teams, which are Liverpool vs Chelsea. So checking the last 5 matches on 24/01/3-1, we can see that the first half 2 goals are scored and the second half 3 goals are scored. So guys, as I said, we'll be focusing on the highest scoring half, second half. So here you can see that the first half, right, they scored 2 goals, and second they scored 3 goals because Liverpool scored another 2 goals the second half, and Chelsea also scored 1 goal. So when we sum them together, we get an answer of 3. So the highest scoring half is the second half. So moving on to the next match, 24/02/25, we can all see that the highest scoring half is the second half. The market right here is the second half. The highest scoring half is the second half, right? Because you can see only 1 goal was scored the second half, so that's why we say it's the second half. Moving on the third match, on 24/10/20, we can all see that the highest scoring half is the second half. 1 goal was scored during the first half, right? And another 2 goals were scored in the second half. So guys, it seems like this market is working. You could also try this other market, of which you could say, because if you check the last 3 matches, right, Liverpool has been scoring, then you can go down if you're betting using the Betway website, and after you go down, you meet this other option whereby you can say Liverpool over 0.5 or Liverpool over 1.5, Liverpool over 2.5. So there is just like a saying, this team to score 1 goal, this team to score 2 goals or more, 3 goals or more, like that, but specifically targeting that team, not both teams, right? Yeah. So here you can just say Liverpool to score 1 goal, because it has been scoring every match when it plays against Chelsea, it scores. So checking the fourth match, right, on 25/05/04, we can see that our market did work, guys. Our market worked. So if you check, right, the first half only 1 goal was scored, and the second around, let me see, Chelsea scored another 2 goals and Liverpool scored 1 goal. So 3 goals were scored. 3 goals were scored in the second half. So 3 goals were scored. That's why we say the second half is the highest scoring half. And guys, even when you bet, right? But I'll tell you this after last statement. So checking on 25/10/04, we can all see that the highest scoring half is the second half. The highest scoring half is the second half, guys. Can you see that this market has been working 5 times in a row? This market worked 5 times in a row, so that's good, guys. You could bet using this market if this team play again in 2026, because obviously they played right here in 2025 around October, I'm not sure, but they played and Chelsea won. So yeah, guys, you could also try to take that kind of bet. So as I was saying, you should sometimes check whether, if you go by the table, you check the table, you check whether Chelsea or Liverpool is still in the top 5. Then you could know, okay, this team is performing like this or like that. So you can predict an accurate bet. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.